You already know thousands of English words. You've practiced pronunciation. Now comes the important question. How do these words work together? That's where grammar begins. In this series, you'll learn how English works, starting from the foundation, parts of speech. And today, we begin with the first building block, nouns and pronouns. Nouns. Everything in this universe has a name, even things you cannot touch, like ideas, feelings, and concepts, still have names. And names are called nouns. A noun is the name of a person, a thing, an idea, an animal, a place. You will see different types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, concrete noun, abstract noun. But they all work the same way in a sentence. A noun can be singular or plural. Singular, one person or one thing. Sam, book, phone. Plural, more than one. Students, books, phones. Most plurals are made by adding s or es, like seas, buses, skies. Some nouns are uncountable, like water, air, information. We will study those later. Personal pronouns. Why pronouns exist? We use pronouns to replace nouns. Without pronouns, English sounds heavy and unnatural. Listen. Sam said Sam lost Sam's phone, and Sam looked for Sam's phone. Now listen again. Sam said he lost his phone, and he looked for it. Pronouns make English faster, clearer, and more natural. Understanding person in English. The speaker, the first person. The first person is the person who is talking. When I speak, I talk about myself. Singular. We use the pronouns I, me, my, mine, myself. Plural. We, us, our, ours, ourselves. The listener, the second person. The second person is the person who is listening. When I speak to you, I am talking directly to you. For singular and plural, we use you, your, yours, yourself. English uses one word, you, for one person and for many people. Now, you and I are talking about another person or another thing. This is called the third person singular. For a male, we use he, him, his, himself. For a female, we use she, her, hers, herself. For a thing, an animal, or any singular noun, we use it, its, itself. When we talk about many people, animals, or things, this is called the third person plural. We use the pronouns they, them, their, theirs, themselves. Note: English is not a gendered language. Nouns do not change by gender. Only singular pronouns show gender. Now comes an important rule in English: third person singular and verbs in the present tense. When the subject is third person singular, he, she, it, or any singular noun, we add s to the verb. This small change is very important. We will learn this in detail in Lesson 2. Personal pronouns have two main forms: subject pronouns, object pronouns. Subject pronouns: he, she, it, I, you, we, they. Object pronouns: him, her, it, me, you, us, them. Most English sentences follow this pattern: subject plus verb plus object. A noun can be the subject or the object. So, subject pronouns replace nouns when the noun is the subject, the person or thing doing the action. Sam studies in the morning. He studies in the morning. Sarah works at a small company. She works at a small company. The phone is very new. It is very new. I wake up early on weekdays. You take care of your health. My family and I eat dinner together. We eat dinner together. The students arrive early. They arrive early. Object pronouns replace nouns when the noun is the object, the person or thing receiving the action. The doctor speaks to Sam. The doctor speaks to him. The company trusts Sarah. The company trusts her. The manager needs the phone now. The manager needs it now. Exercise helps me stay healthy. Your team needs you today. The coach motivates my friends and me. The coach motivates us. The teacher helps the students. The teacher helps them. Now we move from action to ownership. Possessive adjectives: his, her, its, my, your, our, their. Possessive adjectives answer one question: who does this belong to? They always come before a noun. They do not stand alone. They connect a person to a thing. His book. Her bag. My phone. Their class. Possessive pronouns: his, hers, its, mine, yours, ours, theirs. Possessive pronouns replace possessive adjective plus noun. This is his book. The book is his. These are her bags. The bags are hers. That is its building. The building is its. This is my phone. The phone is mine. These are your documents. The documents are yours. This is our house. The house is ours. This is their class. The class is theirs. They tell us, this belongs to someone. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object are the same person. The action goes out and comes back to the same person. Himself, herself, itself, myself, yourself, ourselves, themselves. Sam takes care of himself. Sarah prepared the bags herself. The dog cleaned itself. I solved the problem myself. You did the work yourself. We cooked the meal ourselves. They found the place themselves. Now let's practice each noun with its full pronoun family, using simple, connected sentences in the topic of learning English. Sam. Sam is a student. He likes English class. I help him after class. His desk is clean. That desk is his. He cleaned the desk himself. Sarah. Sarah is at school. She is learning English. I am sitting next to her. Her homework is finished. This notebook is hers. She finished the work by herself. School. The school is open today. It starts at 8 o'clock. I like it very much. Its classrooms are clean. This building is its. The school improved itself. I study English every evening. Online lessons help me a lot. My vocabulary is growing. This progress is mine. I motivate myself to keep learning. You. You attend English class every week. The teacher listens to you carefully. Your pronunciation is getting better. This workbook is yours. You practice the lesson yourself. Sam and I. Sam and I are in the same class. We study English together. The teacher helps us. Our books are on the desk. These books are ours. We did the work ourselves. The students. The students review the lessons every day. They work in small groups. The teacher helps them with grammar. Their test scores are higher now. Those desks are theirs. They prepared for the test themselves. You've just learned the foundation of English, nouns and pronouns. This is where real English begins, not memorization, not guessing, but structure. In the next lessons, we'll complete the remaining parts of speech, connect them with verbs and auxiliary verbs, and build a clear path into English tenses. Stay consistent. Keep practicing. Thank you for watching, and welcome to English Sort.